my name's Evan Scheessele. I work at Hewlett-Packard. I'm in the printing business, so not in software per se or in like the cloud business. But we use Puppet Enterprise in particular in our operations to host what we think of as pretty large enterprise scale cloud software. I'm mostly a champion of automation and continuous delivery. I'm not a real deep Puppet coder guru, but I really enjoy supporting a team of folks who do believe deeply in infrastructure as code. We use the term executable documentation to help explain this idea of infrastructure as code, but in general what it allows is a small operations team to run and deliver to our business a ever-evolving mix of applications, growing, transforming, decommissioning, resetting expectations about which direction the business is going. Operations can be just as responsive to business requirements as any other part of the organization. And Puppet is right in the middle of that because it is where we write the most of our operations code. There's only a certain amount of capacity great operators have at managing infrastructure before their work is totally consumed in managing that which has to be managed by people. Cloud allows you to do things at such a scale, at a volume of systems, or at a tempo of provisioning, testing, deprovisioning, and kind of rotating through infrastructure that without a configuration management tool like Puppet or Puppet Enterprise, your team will be all consumed in old school IT ways of managing it, which means supporting your own scripts, supporting your own home-built systems, or just adopting other tools that might meet your needs. The way I think of it is the middleware of end-to-end infrastructure as code. So what Puppet brought was that configuration management meat that everybody understands. But at a higher level, what it brings is consistency and confidence in operations at scale that allows us to effectively what I call business agility. So Puppet has allowed us to scale up, but also be faster and respond to the business's needs. We would deliver a application stack, single business application from its web tier, its app tier, its kind of business logic, and its data tier. In our old model, it took several weeks, and with Puppet on top of automating the underlying infrastructure in the cloud, we deliver it now in about an hour. Code-driven lifecycle for operations is the modern direction, and if you're not managing your infrastructure with code like Puppet's language, then you will not be able to iterate and operate at the tempo your business needs to compete. So Puppet is an enabler to stay competitive, is the way I boil it down.